Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be unveiling our new Tony Stark Avengers watch. Guys, if you're interested in seeing more about the brand and our products, make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more content behind the scenes. Stay tuned for more details. We're going to be showing you how the watch came about, the design, the details of the watch, and giving you some cool photos of it as well. Okay guys, let's check out the box first. As you can see, it has a part number on the left along with the Tony Stark Iron Man logo right there. And this is red paper box with gold foil logo. Looks really nice. Okay, now let's open this bad boy up. There's the outside of the box. You see the official Marvel logo on the back there. Meister, and that Avengers Endgame logo. This is our new smaller slim box. It's more of a longer box and it has a little pull tab, so you can pull this out. Tony Stark edition. Once you open it up, you see this Tony Stark insert card. You can just remove this. There's some foam padding here. As soon as you take the insert off, you'll see the instruction card and this beautiful looking watch. So just to talk about the design elements and how we came up with this design, we originally designed this watch based off Tony Stark's Iron Man suit. And we made this gold and red to just really match his suit, and we took elements from his suit like the hour markers and the reactor, and put that all in there just to kind of give it that look. Chronograph movement, which is a Japanese Seiko VD 53. The case on this watch is a gold polished case. It's fully polished and it has the red accents on it. But you can see it has Meister on the side along with the M logo and the pushers. One of the most iconic things about our watches are the bolts. We have 8 hexagon bolts on the bezel and 4 on the case here, you can see them. Now let's get into the band. This comes with a red croc style band with red stitching on it. And this is a fully interchangeable strap. You can see here on the back, it has a little spring rods that you could pull these and the band comes right off. Next up is the back case. You can see here this back case shows the Avengers logo, Tony Stark, and it also shows the numbering. For Tony Stark's watch, there was 200 of these made, and they're all individually numbered on the back. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. That wraps up our details of the Tony Stark Special Edition Avengers watch. This is a really great watch, one of my favorite watches right here personally, and it's really limited, so make sure you cop that. If you have any questions or want to see us make any other designs, make sure you leave a comment below. We are still working on some other designs and would love to hear some feedback. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button, the thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more details after the video to see on wrist and lifestyle shots. Thanks a lot guys.